In this video, I'll be talking about what is circuit breaker in stock market trading. So, what is the uses of it and what action does it does and why it is needed in stock market. So, I'll be telling you all these things in. Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be talking about what is circuit breaker in stock market trading. So, what is the uses of it and what action does it does and why it is needed in stock market. So, I'll be telling you all these things in details in this video. So, make sure you watch this video till the end to get all the information regarding this. Okay, and before that, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get all the notification from my channel. I will be uploading lot of educational video, intraday trading strategy, tricks, tips and lot of things in my channel, so make sure you stay tuned for that. And also, if you're new to a stock market trading, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn how to make money constantly in intraday trading, you can join my course. I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course price are very less and reasonably priced. All the details are given in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. Here you can see feedback and earning proof by my client after taking the course. So a lot of people got into my trading program and now they are making money constantly, and also people who had losses have recovered their losses. Okay, you can watch all of these things with the earning proof here. So before I show you the earning proof, I want to show you what are the advantages and benefits you'll be getting once you join my course, and also what makes you this course suitable for. Okay, so this course is for the people who want to learn and earn, make money constantly in stock market trading and make profit as daily income. Okay, and also this course is for the people who are having losses and want to recover their losses. And also this course, I'll be teaching you how to make money constantly, and I'll be teaching you all the 95% accuracy unique strategies and my secrets. And also in live market, I'll be guiding you. Okay, and I will be making you a intraday trading simple for you. Okay, and the benefits what you get is, so once you join my course, you will be able to earn constantly in trading. I'll be teaching you my 90 to 95% accuracy unique and secret strategies with no indicators. And also in lifetime, I'll be guiding you with the live market support. And also I'll be teaching you a good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital, and you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 rupees. And also I'll be teaching you a very good money management system, a risk-free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course price are very less and reasonably priced. So guys, by being said that, here you can check out all the latest and recent earning proof with the ledgers. Okay, so you can go through all of these things one by one and see how my clients are earning constantly after joining with us. And if you guys are interested in making profit constantly like this, you can join us today. And also you can see a lot of feedback messages which is displayed here in my blogspot, so you can go through all of these feedback messages and also the earning proof. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make profit constantly like this, you can join us today, and I will be guiding you to make profit constantly in intraday trading. So guys, by being said that, now let's talk about circuit breaker in stock market. So what is it and what it does. Okay, so what is circuit breaker? So circuit breaker, what it does is it controls extreme volatility, okay, and keeps the price movement in limit, and it forms a price band. Okay, so generally what does electricity circuit does in our houses, so whenever the power is coming out of the voltage or out of its level, it will cuts off the power and make it safe. So that's the same thing what is happening in stock market, but it is little bit different. So I'll be telling you what it is. Okay, so for every single stock there will be a price band, so within that the stock will move every single day. Okay, so this is how the circuit is formed, a price band. So there are two types of price band, that is upper price band and lower price band. Okay, so price bands differs from stocks. Okay, so it doesn't be the same bands for every single stocks, it will differ from one stock to other stock. So what is the difference and what are the percentages? So I'll be telling you that in the next slide. So stock price bands are 2%, 5%, 10%, 15% and 20%. So depending on the stock, so the stocks have fixed price movement and the fixed price bands. Okay, so they are 2%, 5%, 10%, 15 and 20%. So whenever the stock is going above this price band, it will be suspended for the day. I mean, the stock will be not allowed to trade on that day. Okay, so futures and options do not have no price band. Okay, so they don't have any price band. Only stocks have the price band. Futures and options have no price bands. And circuit breaker for the Nifty and Sensex are 10%, 15% and 20%. So let me show you the price bands how you can see. So this is an S bank, so what I've opened in money control. So if you go a little deeper, you can see here L/U price bands. Okay, that is lower and upper price band. So this is where you can see the price band value. Okay, so if the S bank is crossing above 205, the stock will not be allowed to trade for the day. Okay, and if the S bank goes below 167.95, also the stock will not be allowed to trade for the day. So this is how this circuit breaker works. Okay, and now coming to the, so I know we talked about stocks, now we'll come to the circuit breaker for the Nifty and Sensex itself. Okay, so for Nifty and Sensex you have three rules, I mean the three price bands: 10%, 15% and 20%. Okay, so whenever the Nifty or Sensex cross this limit, there is something which will happen. So that is, whenever it crosses that limit, the market will shut down for some time. Okay, so let's say if the market hits 10%, okay, so before the 1 o'clock, so if before 1 o'clock if the Nifty or the Sensex goes 10% off, the market will halt. Okay, so market will pause for 45 minutes. Okay, after the 45 minutes the market will open and give a 15 minutes pre-opening session. Okay, or if it's the stock market is hitting 10% after 1 o'clock and up to 2:30 p.m., it will give a market pause for 15 minutes, and after the next 15 minutes it will give a pre-open session, and then the normal session will be continued. And that's the same for the other price limit also, as you can see in the chart here. Okay, so this is the function of the circuit breaker in stock market. So I hope you guys understand these points and why the circuit breaker exists and what it does. So I just made it simplified and briefly explained it to you in this video. So hope you guys like this video and got the information of circuit breaker. And also you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the videos in my channel. There are a lot of educational videos, intraday trading strategy, tricks, tips and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these videos and subscribe to my channel if you are not yet subscribed. And also every day I upload how much profit I made on what stock I traded with the profit proof every single day. If you guys are interested in making profit constantly and accurately like this, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.